Hi, today we're going to create a simple Java program. So let's start. So we have your laboratory activity number 2, print method. Using NetBeans or Java compiler, create a class named print method using what you have learned in outputting variables. Output the following word using print and println method. So we are asked to print this out during runtime, these four words. Okay, so we have also your expected output. Okay, so let's create the program. Let's open our NetBeans. Select File, New Project, Java with Maven, Java Application, click Next. For our project name, we're going to use our class name. So, print method. Next, we're going to set the project location for our project. So I'm going to select desktop and learning lag. Uh, Double click to open. I'm going to create a separate folder for this project. So new folder 02 print method and select, then open. We don't need the package, so we're going to delete this one because it is optional. Then click finish. Now we have your project. Let's open the project to display all the subfolders and then click or select source packages. Then right click, click new and Java class. For our class name, we're going to write print method and click finish. Now we have your code window, so let's delete all of this unnecessary comment and let's write our main method. So ps vm and then tab key to auto generate the code, and let's type the expected output of our program. So SUT. So this is using print method. Okay. SOUT have SOUT only so we're going to delete this ln because we are going to use the print method. Okay, let's type another one. This is using print line method. SOUT have Okay, so we are done typing our expected output. So let's save our project and click run button. So select print method or main class. Okay, so now our program uh, runs successfully. Try to notice that the first set of the words that we display on runtime are printed out in the same line. This is because we used print to display those words. Print method only prints the string and it does not move the cursor to the next line. That's why all of the succeeding text to print are printed on the same line as the first text. And notice that for the second set of the words that we're going to print on runtime, all of those words are printed out in different line. It is because we are using print line method. So this print line method print the strings and move the cursor to the next line. That's why all the words appears on a different line during runtime. So those are again the difference between the print method and print line method. The print methods print the strings and it does not move the cursor or our insertion point to the next line. That's why when we print out this word, all of the succeeding words is also printed on the same line. While the print line method print the string and move the cursor to the next line. That's why all of the words we print appears on a different line. Okay. So we also notice that there is a uh, is so we will try to change this one because this text should appear to the next line. So I'm going to go here at the last part of the print method and we're going to add plus sign to concatenate and a single quote and a forward slash and end. So this single quote or single quote forward slash and n is a new line character on Java. So what it do is that it adds a new line character in your program as it runs. Okay, so let's click save because we made changes. Then run. Okay, so it is now in the way it should be. Okay, so that's it for our programming today, and see you next time.